Today, we are going to be making a balanced pumpkin cheesecake smoothie. Ingredients needed for this recipe are 1 cup canned pumpkin, half a frozen banana, 1 cup low-fat vanilla yogurt, 1 cup fat-free milk, half cup old-fashioned oats, 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1 sprinkle of nutmeg, and a handful of ice cubes. Start by slicing up your banana into small enough pieces to fit through the mouth of a blender. Following the formula of the balanced smoothies, we are going to start with our liquid and add in our milk and ice. Add in some oats to help you stay fuller for longer and add some healthy fiber to your diet. Add in the pumpkin and banana for your fruit and veggie servings. Then the flaxseed for your healthy fat. The combination of canned pumpkin, banana, and flaxseed is great for gut health. Next, the yogurt and protein powder for your lean protein. The fiber from these foods are easier digested, and while still being rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, all that's left is to add your spices, blend well, and enjoy.